How y'all doing? I'm out here talking about the Rossi Tuffy survival rifle. It is a rifled 16-inch barrel. You can also shoot 410, but it shoots 45 Colt. Has some critical defense, 185 grain, about 1,000 feet a second. Some levolution, 225 grain, about 1,000 feet a second. And 250 grain cowboy loads. I think they're about 900 feet a second. Let's shoot this pig. What do you think? Got the old trusted dinosaur out there. And we got pineapples and watermelon. Let's see what happens here. How y'all doing? I like that you can store your ammo. It stores 410 better. Gets a little stuck for 45 Colt. What are you gonna do? Got some cowboy loads here. Let's pop this thing off. Dinosaur. Pop it open. There they go fly. Let's try one more of those. These are the cowboy loads. Gotta love it. Nice accurate. Now, this is what I want to know. Let me grab these are the critical defense. I'm going after the pineapple to the right. These are 185 grain. This is what we can do here. Pineapple first, then the watermelon. Very impressive there. Look at that. I'm going to tell you, pineapple is a tough target. All right. Watermelon. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. They just shoot right out. Now, levolution. These are for like a lever gun, but these are definitely designed for a rifle. Those critical defense are designed for more like a handgun, like that one. Let's see, pineapple. Not as explosive, maybe I didn't hit it quite right. All right, 225 grain, levolution. Yeah, let's say, my opinion on it. Great rifle, 50 yards, maybe more. You can go 90, 100, maybe you can get better red dot. For the shotgun, when you're shooting 410, 20 yards. And then 30 if you change the wad separator out in the front here. But with stuff like critical defense, the 410 stuff, the buckshot, 20 yards. Good firearm for that. Anything more than that, So I'm gonna say it's a better rifle than it is a shotgun. Obviously, it is a rifle. Let me know what you guys think. I love how it holds all that. It's so light. And also, when I say survival, you unscrew this, comes in 2 pieces. Real easy to store. God bless. Bye.